Set Tahin, Maku Harasha of Somali. Guys, we back in today. We got some more amazing Somali cuisine. Do you guys see this? Do you see this?
Oh my goodness, this is insane. Look at that.
Yo, this is what you can get on the west side of Columbus, Ohio. This is what you can get in Columbus, Ohio. If you have not tried Somali food, please don't make me beg you again.
No, you're missing out.
You are definitely missing out. You should definitely try Somali food. And guys, we got it today. Now, you know me, I just have a mixed vegetable dish with spinach, with rice. You see this? With
It
spinach,
looks hella
with
good.
rice, with beans,
And some salad.
and some salad with the lime. And guys, I'm not playing today.
You gotta
We
have
really
your
for
banana.
real today. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta
We really-
have your banana.
Exactly. I know you guys been telling me that for a long time, but we gonna do it today. All right. So, what did you get?
Oh man, I got a big leg of lamb. It's super tender and just like falls off the bone. And I got some rice, salad, and here I got some beans. So perfect combination.
Definitely.
Yep.
All
And you
right.
know what, Johannes? Myself, actually, I'm gonna put the spoon on the side. I'm going
Here we go. You going
Somali.
pro? You
I'm
going
going
pro?
Somali style.
Okay, you going Somali style?
Yeah, I gotta use my hands.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. You know what? Maybe I'm going Somali style too.
You should. You should.
Okay, let's do this.
All right, man. Let's do it.
So we getting rid of our forks, or we keeping it there for a backup?
I'm just
You know
gonna
what I'm
put it in the side.
saying? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but before we do that, I think we should also peel bananas.
Did you say banana?
Yeah.
Okay. I like
You
that.
gotta open it.
Exactly.
Yeah, because it's gonna have it ready when that rice start hitting the spot.
You know this is legendary for me because they always been telling me like, yo, like make sure banana. Very
Oh, doing
good,
great.
bro. I
Thanks,
appreciate
brother.
it.
Yeah, it's good.
Thank you so much. And so I'm like today, yeah, we gonna do that.
Oh,
We
you
gonna
got
do
to.
that.
You got to.
You know what they told me? They said, if you really want to be officially Somali, brother, they said, brother, we accept you. You can be Somali, but you gotta put that banana in there. And I said, okay.
You're gonna have that banana in your meal.
Yeah, because you know, rice is bris. Noodles, we don't have that, but we have bris. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it.
Let's do it, brother.
Let's do it.
I think
So,
I'm gonna.
I'm just gonna go with the
Yeah, I'm gonna
I'm
start
gonna
with
go
my
with
banana,
the banana too.
and then gonna mix it with my rice.
Okay. I'm following you.
Yep. So mix it with the rice,
I'm following you.
and then go for it.
Oh, so just rice and banana.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers. That rice.
My goodness.
Wow. Yo.
That's really good.
No. No. I gotta go in and get my fault. Okay, go ahead.
Oh yeah, you know the first thing that I tasted, it was coconut.
Yes. Hold on, I gotta. Oh, did you have beans? Oh, see, you had the
Yeah.
beans. I'm just
But
talking
you get
about
some beans there too.
Well, I do, but I was just talking about the rice. The rice is like. Well, you said banana and beans. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, but I
again.
think like maybe the rice is made out of coconut, maybe coconut milk or something.
Hold on, let's go in for it again.
Yeah, because I can taste some coconut.
Okay, let's see.
Oh man, that's really good. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
Yo, are you kidding me?
that's really good.
What?
That's really good. That's your typical local African rice flavor.
Exactly.
Like it tastes so homemade.
I can't even talk.
Like the person who made this meal, like they put a lot of love and passion into it. Oh my goodness. Ah, that's good.
It just starts to. You start to question. How can people like really cook so good? And while I'm questioning that, I think I'm gonna throw a little lime
Oh yeah.
for tradition because you know
You got
when I
you.
used to eat a little Somali food, I always throw a little bit of lime on top of it. You know what I'm saying?
But too bad you don't have protein. I guess maybe you can use your
My beans. Yeah,
right?
beans, yeah.
Yeah.
A little thick, yo. I gotta. My hands is a little.
Yeah.
You're stronger than me. You
Yeah.
have more strong.
You could have hit the gym, brother.
Right. Right.
You could have hit
Oh,
the
there,
gym.
there it goes. My hands were just slippery. That's all.
Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do now.
Okay.
Gonna
Okay, so
burn-
I'm gonna go for the beans.
Yeah,
then,
you gotta go for beans. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh-wee.
All right, I got some beans.
Okay. But that's a big chunk, man.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's a pro-
Yeah,
that's a pro move right
that's
there.
a pro move. So I gotta mix it with some beans and rice.
Okay, I see you.
Cheers.
Wow. Yo. Especially on a cold day. And it's cold outside.
It is.
Tonight I think it's going to be only like 10 degrees.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Like right now it's like in the 30s. Oh, this meal just like warms you up.
Yeah. I don't even think it was 30. I think it said 28 in my car.
Oh, that's amazing. You know what, Johannes? I feel like I'm in
heaven?
Somali right now.
Okay.
Somali.
Okay.
Like, living the best life out there.
Uh-huh. You finally see what I see, right?
Nostalgic. This meal is so nostalgic.
Let me give you a little a picture. Think about being in Somalia, and you got a beautiful Somali wife. Not you, me, because I'm single. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Think about you got a beautiful Somali wife. Dark skin, long beautiful hair, and she cooking this basto, cooking bris, cooking sugo, cooking shah. Oh,
Man, you got your Somali on point.
I love Somali people.
You got your Somali meal, like your Somali meal names and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's way more that I don't know, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn.
wow, man.
Even what is it? Hold on. Is there okra? Peppers or okra? I think it's okra. I think
Where?
that's okra.
Yeah, I think
Or is it
like
pepper?
yeah.
Yo, that's crazy.
We got a little bit of green beans right here. This green pepper,
Wow.
a little bit of broccoli. But yeah, I love this meal, man. It's good.
Why do you need fast food when you can come here? This is what I'm trying to ask everybody. When you can come here, what do you need fast food for? You don't need it. You don't need it. I mean, well, you need it sometimes because it's fast food. You don't have time. But most of the time, you don't need it.
If you ask me, if I have to choose between fast food and this,
Oh, this all day.
every day, all day.
Every day, all day. Every day, all day.
Oh. Especially like this lamb, so tender, man, so juicy. Brother, you're missing out. You should go back and start eating your meat.
You know what I mean? I'm gonna think about that. I ain't never gonna do it, but I'll think about it.
Just for once.
Yo, the okra's hitting nice.
Oh yeah,
I love that okra.
the meal's good.
Yeah.
So fresh. So filling.
I don't even know, like, for real. Look, you my brother,
Yep.
but like when you share a meal like this, you become even more my brother.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? If you know what I mean. Does that make sense? It's cold outside,
Like blood brothers.
Exactly. There you go.
Like more than family.
Exactly. You paying the bill? Sign up for that.
I got you. Don't worry.
Well, I was just saying that because the brother thing, but I was playing. But thank you. Thank
I'm
you.
sorry.
But look, the thing that I love a lot about the banana and the mix of the banana is that the banana gives it that sweetness, the savory,
Yeah.
like sweet, savory, cold, and then you have like the hot, warm food
Yeah.
that could possibly be a little spicy. How is the meat? Is it a little spicy or is it just like a little bit more on the not so spicy side?
No, it's not spicy at all. It's just steaming hot, tender, juicy, and it does have a good combination of like spices, right? A little bit of pepper, but not overpowering at all. Yeah.
I'm sorry, yo, I'm going in with my hands. I don't know how like neat I'm being. Well, not that I really have to be, but
No, you're good, bro. You're good. This meal is designed that way, so.
wow. So let me go in for a little bit for the spinach and the beans
Okay.
and the rice.
How is it?
Wow.
Good?
Yeah. The beans cooked perfectly. Not too hard, not too soft. You know you can overcook beans.
Well, yeah, you can.
I mean, at that point, it becomes like a taco or like a bean burrito.
Exactly, like more of like a mixing food now, But this is typical Somali beans, mixed with a little bit of curry in there, onions, tomatoes. It's just like perfect balance.
It is. It is.
It goes handy with this, rice meal. Yeah, I really enjoyed myself, and
I'm still enjoying myself.
if you ask me, I've said this is like for this year. This is another one of so many
Spots in Columbus.
spots in Columbus and best spots in Columbus for Somali food. And I will leave the address in the description box. So if you happen to be around this area, you definitely
You have
gotta
to try
check
it.
out this place.
You have to try it.
Yeah, you have to.
You have to try it, yo. You have to.
You
try
won't
it.
be disappointed. Won't be disappointed at all. And Johannes, look at
I'm
your
sorry.
plate and look at mine. Mine is.
How
it's
you so fast, man?
It's almost done.
I know, but I'm
It's
just.
almost empty.
You know, I'm so used to eating injera with my hand, but I'm not really used to eating rice with my hand. That's probably why.
Oh
yeah.
man. I grew up eating rice, eating ugali, eating pretty much every meal with my hands. So this is
I'm only used to eating injera with my hands, like when I was growing up.
so easy, man.
Well, yeah, I'm trying. I'm struggling over here.
No, but I
I'm
gotta
trying.
give it to you though. You're doing good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I'm trying.
you're doing good. Just gotta keep on practicing your techniques and stuff. You get better.
They're like,
Don't
man,
worry.
They're like, oh, he's over here dropping mad rice, and I'm like, well, every time that I ever seen any time that I seen like any of my Somali homeboys eat it, like there's always a little bit of rice on the side of the plate. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I don't think I'm doing that bad.
No, it's okay, You're good, brother.
So one day, when we go to Somalia, what do you think the first thing we should eat? Like, what's a dish you want to try? Like their fish, because Somalia actually has a lot of fish dishes that I don't think
They do.
a lot of people that talk about. You know?
They do, the Indian Ocean. So I definitely want to try some rice and fish. And then the second meal that I'd like to try out there, I'll say would be like, fresh goat soup. Like, I think there's this dish called falafel.
sounds
And
familiar.
another one is called wasala, something like that. Wasala. I think it's like big chunks of goat meat in a soup. I love that.
Oh,
so I definitely want to try that.
That sounds good.
Yeah. What about you?
I think I want to try like fresh kanjero
What is that?
or injera, like Somali injera, kanjero if I'm correct, kanjero. So I want to try that fresh in Somalia, and I also want to try like fresh shah in Somalia, like Somali tea, straight from Somalia, like on the side of the beach from a vendor. I want it on a vendor from a vendor on the side of the beach.
Like a street vendor.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to drink that, and I want to drink it on the beach, and I want to eat injera, Somali injera, kanjero in the morning on the
Wow.
beach. On the beach.
Oh, that's so exotic. Yeah, that's so exotic. I like it. I
Well,
like
I'm an
it.
exotic type of guy. You know what I'm saying? Like.
I see you. But
With my imaginary Somali wife.
you definitely need a Somali wife.
Yeah, I really respect Somali people, and like I told them before, Somali women are beautiful.
They are.
You know what I'm saying? Very respectful women,
Hardworking too.
hardworking women. You know what I'm saying? And so yeah, like, and look, if I don't get a Somali wife one day, I'll just sit on the side of the beach and just imagine I have one in Somalia. Yeah. I'll be on the side of the beach with like my shirt and my kanjero, like, yo, what up? Set the high, set the high.
That's a good one. Oh man, well, hands down, best food in Columbus, Ohio.
How many times did I tell you to
Somali
trust
food.
me?
Oh,
How many times did I tell you to trust me?
you've told me several times, and I think that seals the deal. Yeah, this experience here seals the deal, and I'm loving it, man.
Me too. I'm going for some more banana and spinach and rice. And let me tell you this, is that I don't think that some people know how many different spots and how unique Columbus, Ohio is. And I like that we're actually trying to show like it's a whole city and there's literally many spots
It is.
that you can go to and just experience different experiences and different cultures. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Yo, how you eat all that?
Man, I'm so
That's
hungry,
crazy.
and it's so good.
That's
I mean, I can't help it. I can't help
You
it.
can eat, yo.
I can't. I can't. You already know.
That's crazy. How you eat all that in front of my eyes? I didn't even realize it.
Easy.
That's crazy, yeah. That's crazy. So, yo, guys, I appreciate you joining us for more Somali food.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for my brother always for being on the channel as well. I really appreciate him. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to leave the address and the location in the description down there. Also, guys, please check out my brother's channel whenever you get a chance.
Check out Johannes' channel as well. I'm gonna leave his link to his YouTube channel, so please subscribe, show some love.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And also, as well, please come out and check this location. I know some people maybe might not know exactly where it's at. I'm gonna give you the location and just walk in, right? Have a conversation with people. They're nice people. Have a conversation and just get to know people. And then as soon as you do that, yo, food lightens up everything. You'll be good. You'll be good. You know what I'm saying? Well, my brother enjoys eating to the bone. Please, guys, like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Add me on all social media, which is African Network, which is Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat, TikTok, and Facebook. Each one teach one. Always love each other. Always learn from each other. And yo, guys, until next time, peace of Somalia.
Thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for supporting Johannes. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, take it easy, be safe, take care.
One love.